Hi everyone. So today we'll understand what is debugging in SAP system, and which is normally which is done by what level has been done by functional consultants. So we'll understand these concepts first. So debugging is basically editing the program. If you need to edit some table entry, some understanding where the error is coming from, so you can get into the debugging mode. You can see the backend program and how that program is working. If you are posting any entry, that how the backend program is functioning. So it's required in case some errors are triggering or you need to edit some entry. So /h is the transaction code to enter into debugging, and we can put breakpoints and then we can analyze the error. So we'll try to see that now. I'll take a scenario where I have to edit a table entry. So let's say I'll go to the system and I'll go to table T001, which is for global settings, where we have company code, assignments, currency and all. So I'll just show you. I'll see. So here is one company code where the chart of account is assigned as PM00, but I want to assign, let's say, some another chart of account. I want to assign, let's say, some different chart of accounts, right? So how I will do that? And it is in non-editable mode. It will not, system will not allow you to change it. So let's say I want to assign some 0000. So what I'll do is I'll put /h at the top in the transaction code option /h. It's now system will give me a message. At the bottom you see debugging switched on. I'll enter it again, showing ABAP debugger starting. So here the program is showing. I can go to this debugger and I can go to this switch to classical debugger. So now if I need to edit something, so I have to put a breakpoint here, code show. So I'll double click. So in place of show, I'll put edit, because I need to edit the entry. I click this and I'll click on F8. Now you see the entire table is in change mode. So I can change this now and I can save it. Database record successfully created. So now if I show you this table again, it will be in, the field is different now. You see, it's 000 now. Normally from the front end you cannot change this entry because there are entries already posted, but from the back end or through debugger you can change such entries by putting the breakpoints. So but what I will do is I will change it again. I'll put it PM00 again. Alright, so if I go back, if I execute again, still not change. So that's how we can take help of debugger functionally. If some entry needs to be edited, some error needs to be found, so we can take help of our web debugger and we can resolve our errors without. But mostly this activity is from the technical front, but there should be understanding of to the functional consultant how this activity has to be done. So that was about ABAP debugging. So we have seen debugging, why it is required. I just changed one activity, one table through /h, going to classical debugger, putting the breakpoints. So that's how it was all about debugging. Thank you.